Good afternoon or evening, everybody, and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on the markets. All right, we'll do a full update here. I will probably make the title something a little bit clickbaity, such as "Crypto Crash Incoming," but believe me, it is for a good reason. All right, because I'm trying to grab your attention here. Because at the moment, as you can see, at least from Bitcoin, we are entering a lower time frame downtrend here. Now, do I think this is the end of the bull market or something horrible? No, but there are some things I do think you need to know about, and some things in general that you need to know about, need to be aware about, but also know what to do regarding that in terms of trading and potentially investing. Right, so I think it's important we talk about this because that we are in a lower time frame downtrend here on Bitcoin after breaking down below the 382 fib right here at 96,800. Is not unexpected. I mean, we already talked about it earlier this morning in my Bitcoin video. But there are some rumors about new conflicts and new unrest in the Middle East. And you can also see with gold that's rallying again, which is not something you want to see if you want healthy markets. And for those of you who still remember, and for those of you who don't, it's a little bit of a lesson, but the last two times that we actually had severe escalation between Israel and Iran, because that's what it's about, and we're not going to get into the politics of it, but the last two times that really happened was April and I believe September or October, and both of those times it was absolutely horrendous for the markets. All right, so if we actually see more news about that, and if the rumors are true, we can melt down a lot. All right, and at the moment we're doing fine because the Bitcoin dominance has dropped down a lot in the last couple of days and in the last hours. But if that changes, if the Bitcoin dominance goes up, which eventually will happen again if this news is actually true and if it continues, Bitcoin dominance will go up. Bitcoin itself will go down, and that's going to be absolutely that's not going to be great for altcoins. All right, so that's what I think you need to keep an eye on that, and then you mostly need to keep your eyes on gold. Will it actually rally up higher? Will it continue rallying? And ultimately the Bitcoin dominance. All right, if those start to move in a way which we don't like, I would first of all de-risk futures positions. Personally, I'm not really entering positions right now, even though I must say that I am in a futures position on NOT, which is incredibly bullish in general. We'll get back to that a little bit later. But that's what I do think you need to be careful of, all right? And I think in general, it's most likely here that Bitcoin is going to drop down lower. We have strong support here at 95,000, amazing support at 93,500. I don't think we're going to break down those levels, and if we actually do drop down to those levels and we find support, market circumstances are fine. I just think you need to be aware of the circumstances, be aware of what's going on and what that could cause, but it's not causing that at the moment, all right? So hopefully that makes sense. And if not, let me know. Join the free Telegram group, join the free Discord group, and we can talk about it. And I'll try to keep you updated on that regardless. But those are, at least for my circumstances that I say, I did a lot of trading last week. Let's not do too much trading right now. So be careful for that. But there's still a lot of altcoins that are interesting. I mean, most importantly, Notcoin has been ridiculously bullish here. Hit a strong resistance level here at the 382 fib, as you can see. If we can actually find a strong bounce here at the current levels, I think this can rally up higher. I mean, the volume right now is $255 million in the last hour. Definitely a coin to keep an eye on. But like I said, we need to get some sort of a strong bounce from one of these Fibonacci levels, preferably. And then if we do get that strong bounce, we can break above 1.05 and get into 1.15 cents. If we don't, this is just going to drop all the way back down to 0.87 cents here, but definitely an interesting coin to keep your eyes on. Outside of that, at the moment, I would say Phantom. Phantom is also very strong. I already hold quite a lot of Phantom, but Phantom obviously broke out of this range right here. It's trying to break above $1 right here. Fundamentally very bullish. At the moment, I would not enter, but this is definitely an interesting and strong altcoin to accumulate, but also to trade on the lower time frames. There's some other coins which I thought were interesting as well. Saga is showing a little bit more bullish momentum. If it can break this little range we have right here, this is a guaranteed buy, for me at least. What do we have more here? Yeah, Peanut was showing a little bit more momentum and potential here. Again, if we can break this range here, if we can break this resistance level right here, if we can confirm the breakout at 1.27.5, I think that's a great buy. So that's Peanut for you, the meme coin. If you still remember, let's see. What more do we have? Dogecoin still. Dogecoin at the moment, I don't really like, to be quite honest with you. So forget about that. What more do we have? Yeah, Sei is also quite strong, but again, I mean, all of these coins were quite affected by the initial drop we had. So most of these altcoins I would stay away from, and I would only touch if we actually do find support with Bitcoin, or if the Bitcoin dominance falls down lower. But Sui and Sei both are also quite interesting. If Sui is able to break above 3.5, amazing. If Sei is able to break above 0.60, that's going to be an amazing entry as well. But keep your eyes on those market circumstances, alright? Fetch, also relatively strong if we can break out above 1.55. So we're very much waiting for those breakouts to actually get some more confirmation, which is absolutely crucial in these market circumstances, right? Bitcoin is, as we speak, also dropping a bit lower. So like I said, and I do think this is a good moment to repeat that, be careful, alright? Wait for support, wait for unrest to go down a little bit, or at least for us to have a little bit more clarity. And after that, there will be plenty of opportunities. All right? Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.